Admission coming in this evening by Maharashtra's Home Minister Anil Deshmukh explaining the reasons for shunting the Mumbai Police Commissioner. He has said it was done to avoid any obstacles and to ensure a free probe. Let's listen into what he had to say.
जांच एनआईए और एटीएस कर रही है और बहुत ही प्रोफेशनली कर रही है। ये जांच में जो भी बातें आगे आएंगी वो हिसाब से कार्रवाई की जाएगी। नंबर एक। नंबर दो, उनकी जांच में कुछ बाधा नहीं आना चाहिए करके वहाँ के पुलिस कमिश्नर ऑफिस के हमारे जो कुछ उसमें हमारे जूनियर अधिकारी और बाकी जो भी कुछ अधिकारी उसमें उनकी बाधा नहीं आना चाहिए और अच्छी तरीके से इंक्वायरी होना चाहिए। उसके लिए माननीय परमवीर सिंह साहब को वहाँ से हटाया गया।
Okay, that is Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh there making a very important statement saying that the Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh was transferred to ensure a free and a fair probe which is being done currently by the Maharashtra ATS and the NIA in the case of both the gelatin sticks that were found outside Mukesh Ambani's residence as well as the murder of Mansukh Hiran. Mirana's managing editor Vinay Tiwari joins us now for more. Vinay, this is quite a huge admission coming in from the Maharashtra Home Minister. Incidentally, at about the same time yesterday, there was this sudden transfer of Parambir Singh, something that was there was a lot of chatter about. Now, it's quite a vote of no confidence for him when the Home Minister himself is saying that we wanted to ensure a clean, honest and a thorough probe, which is why we've shunted him out.
Yes, I mean, I look at it, I read this a little differently, which is this. Look, the Maharashtra government is currently caught between a rock and a hard place, so to speak. I mean, they know that they have a situation where they've suffered a perception loss which is fairly significant. You have a situation where there is enough and more evidence that the NIA has gathered up till now, which suggests that they had a rogue officer in between who was either not being supervised at all, which is pretty bad in policing in normal circumstances, or was acting at the behest of somebody higher up than the rank that he currently holds. And at the same time, the government is also in a situation where they don't want to be seen to be doing nothing. Because that brazenness, which they initially displayed by defending the police force in the assembly, kind of backfired because clearly the evidence mounted and it suggested there was a lot to answer for. So I think they were caught in between a hard and a rock place. And in my personal perception, Mr. Anil Deshmukh is just trying to make a balancing act, because if he doesn't send out the message that we need a free and a fair probe, it will look like the government is being extremely biased in the investigation. Remember, one half of the investigation is still with the Maharashtra police. The ATS is investigating it. Only the other half is with a central agency. So they need to send that message out of neutrality. And at the same time, he also mentioned that this is not exact. This is an administrative transfer to ensure free and fair. So in some ways, he hasn't fully thrown him under the bus. I mean, because there is an escape route. This is something which you normally expect when an officer in question is in the dock or is being questioned. You would want him to be away from the inquiry to ensure that there is a free and fair one. So in my personal assessment, it's a bit of a balancing act that he's tried to do in trying to look neutral and also not throwing fully under the bus Mr. Parambir Singh.
And also, Vinay, perhaps limit the damage that has been caused to the Maharashtra government as well, them having defended Parambir Singh very vociferously, and even Sachin Vaze very vociferously in the initial days. Mirana's managing editor there, Vinay Tiwari, giving us some insight into this very candid admission by the Maharashtra Home Minister, saying that there was a reason that the Mumbai Police Commissioner was transferred, and that is to ensure a fair and a thorough probe into the matter. Vinay, thanks so much for joining us.